So now we'll see what is the meaning of liabilities. Liability is a legal obligation of an individual or a business entity towards creditors arising out of some transactions. Now see, some transactions have taken place where we are liable to pay someone. That basically is a liability. It's a legal obligation of an individual or a business entity towards the creditors. Creditors are the suppliers, the ones who supply us the material. So, whatever the money that is pending or to be paid to them is known as a liability. Now, when I talk about types of liabilities, now again there are three types we can say. The first type is the current liability, the second type is the long term liability, the third type is the contingent liability. When I say current liabilities are those liabilities which are normally due and payable within 1 year, means they do not extend beyond a period of 1 year. The ones which are normally paid or they are just payable within that particular year are known as current liabilities. Then we have long term liabilities. Now they are opposite to the current liabilities. These are just the liabilities which don't due immediately but they become due after a year or more. So some payments are such that you have to pay it after a year, or there are a few years in which you can pay those payments or those liabilities. So they fall under long term liability. Okay, then we have contingent liabilities. Always remember, more than 1 year is long term liability, less than 1 year current liability. Then we have contingent liabilities. Contingent liabilities are something which we don't know when they will occur. Now see, there the liabilities are payable on the occurrence of some event or some contingency. Like we started some business, there was a huge rainfall and the products in the business were just wasted due to that particular, due to not having a proper infrastructure, and we suffered a huge loss. Now we have a lot of payments, so it was contingency. We didn't knew that the rain will fall and we will incur such a huge loss. So this is known as contingent liability. Now any debts owed by a company such as accounts payable or sales tax payable. See, simple meaning is any a company is there, it's owning a lot of accounts payable, such as it has a lot of creditors, it has to pay them. So accounts payable or sales tax. Now business is obviously incurring a lot of sales, it has to pay some kind of tax. So the sales tax that is payable or the accounts payable, the amount which is payable to the creditors, they all fall under liabilities. Now I'll show one balance sheet in which you can see the liabilities of this Annie's Pottery Palace company. Now see, they have this accounts payable, which I said creditors. They have this liability of $2,000. They have to pay this. There's a short-term debt in their liability. They have wages that are owed. Then again, they have to pay a lot of wages. Then there are so this is the total liabilities again. Owners equity, capital, they all also fall under the liabilities. Retained earnings, business owners drawings, total equity. So total liabilities and equity, we show it under one side in the balance sheet. So this is what we learned today about the liabilities. We learned the types of liabilities. We saw one balance sheet. So today in this video you learned about liabilities. So please, if you like the video, do like, subscribe and share it. Thank you.